And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And here's Uni, your democratic socialist unicorn. And I'm pink, or pinko. Okay, boys and girls. Kayfabe, this lady right here, if you can see her, is having trouble to use a Ferro Rod. That's her, very shy. Check out her channel. Okay, we're going to kill you right there. Sorry about that. Lord, what the hell is that? Penis correction surgery. Don't need that. Lord, I tell you, just drives you nuts what you get on the internet today. Okay, now, this was sent to me by Harshman Hills. I've been trying to contact them because, again, it's July. I've been always having a bad time sending them a Christmas card, so I'm trying it again. I don't give up. Okay, Ferro Rod. Now, I won't scrape it because a lot of you kids don't understand Ferro Rods. Uncle Alan was here from the beginning. Dinosaurs, Uncle Al, Godzilla, Uncle Al. I know what I'm doing with one of these. Okay? It's covered with an oxidation-proof paint. Got that? All right? Now, you hold the rod, because this was designed for astronauts, because those lunkheads and the jet pilots could not start fires with flint and steel. Uncle Alan's old school. Okay, they're like Hubble's cat. They're good at several things, but not for the real old bizarre stuff like Uncle Al does. Cotton, whoops, can't see on bone china. Cotton ball. Okay, I can see that. I did leave a coffee stain so you can see it. Like this, scrape downward. Remove paint. See, remove paint until it's silver. Reason why is the paint prevents the compound of this. Same as a Zippo, dry Zippo. It sparks. Same ingredients as these things. Once exposed to the air, they deteriorate. Now on the market, they have a hard, which he has, and we have a soft, produce showers of sparks. Bad thing with the soft ones is they deteriorate very fast. And no, it's not gay cruising, it's Mediterranean. Where is it? Yeah, someplace around there. Got it from my nephews. Okay, now, once you got that and you got the paint off and you're scraping down, it'll produce a few sparks. Okay, just make sure you hold it down. All right, this is a fire starter, never tinder. I try to explain this to my sister who spent $1,500 going to a survival camp. It took me 30 seconds to light it, and I'm not using a ferro rod that astronauts and jet pilots use. I use flint and steel. Okay, since it's your first time and you don't know what you're doing, you got to get a tinder bundle, which is dried grass, bark, certain dry ingredients. Go see other YouTube channels. The size of your head. Coal Cracker Bushcraft is a good one to check out how to use sparking elements like this. Or Harshman Hills. Unclown's old and tired and don't want to do this crap. Now, even with wax and Vaseline, it's not going to light. So all you newbie preppers, I keep telling this over and over again in your preps, because a lot of you are really clumsy and never do this for real. Okay? Lighter fluid. Really easy, really simple. Okay, now I won't put lighter fluid on it because it'll set off my fire alarms. And where I live, I don't want the cops over here again. So we're not going to use this. But a couple of drops of lighter fluid. See that, boys and girls? Zippo lighter fluid. That's your accelerant. Once the spark falls down and hits it, okay, hits the cotton, it'll catch on fire. Take the fire starter, be sure it's in the tinder bundle, which is big as your head, and light it. If all else fails and you need a fire fast, go see Uncle Alan's fire making video. I use a road flare. I don't screw around like Hubble's cat with tinder, dry linen. This is 2,000 degrees and it will set things on fire. Period. Don't waste my time. No accelerants, no tinder bundles. I will burn down anything. Don't kid around. Now let me get my camp knife out. Okay, when I go camping, I'm really serious. I don't screw around. And it's a single edge, not double. Sharp edge is for, let's see, sharp edge. Yeah, that's sharp. Sharp edge is used for gutting things. Oh no, Uncle Alan, you're setting a bad example. I changed my mind. Excuse me. Snowflake. Anyway, sharp edge you use for cutting, slicing, dicing, or anything pointy. Got it? Okay. Second, where did I put this damn thing? Uncle Alan's also have blind. 45-degree edge right here. You go down. I don't want to scrape this because it's perfectly sealed. Anytime you bust the seal open, you have to paint it again. I don't want to spend 3 hours painting it with nail polish sealing it again. Okay, you go down. Gotta make sure it's a 90-degree angle. Make sure it's sharp. I got this sharpened. And you strike. Long, gentle strikes. Now, if Uncle Alan can start a fire with a dry bick, with a damp tinder ball, cotton ball, soaked in lighter fluid, okay, that's easy as pie. Lord, it drives me nuts when I have to reteach everything. It's like the people out where I teach volunteer to teach it. It's a Jewish group, which I won't say, but oh boy. Enclosed in the large box, I finished packing it. I stuffed it to the gills. Okay, we have a genuine Camel cigarette, see that? Joe Camel or Eddie Camel box, a packet of paper matches. Why they put paper matches in those? Because a lot of people can't light fires with one of these, or even this, or even this. I'm tired. How tired are you, Uncle Al? Real tired. Now, first things, I'm going to put this away so it don't deteriorate some more, because a lot of people don't understand. More sparks means softer the material is, and it will finally go kaput or go bad. That's a whole nother video. I don't want to do that because we don't have time, kids. Uncle Alan has to do a lot of videos tonight because it's already, what, 5 months and 5 months and 3 weeks left. Yeah, 3 weeks left. And it's going to hit on December 27th, 2019. Now, please check out Lee's channel, Hubble's Cat, Andrew Hondo, and Detriot Preppin. Now, Andrew Hondo and Detriot Preppin, I've been wondering what happened to them. I found out that out of my playlist, not playlist, my subscribe list that I subscribe to, half of them is gone. So I'm down to 243 of my favorite channels disappeared. So I have to re-find them, do everything to it, which drives me nuts. Uncle Alan's sick and he has brain damage. So please check out the channel. Check out Andrew and check out Detriot, especially Detriot Preppin. He's a vet like Uncle Al and a few others. And welcome to our group. We got Will Patriot and Modern Refugee and Kayfabe. Please check out their channels. I try to cover everybody, but it's a little hard. I'm babysitting this next 2 weeks, so I'm running around trying to work and I'm sweating to death. Inside my house, it's 80 degrees. I got the AC on. I got the overhead fan on. I have a small fan back of me. That's why I'm not wearing the lab coat. And I'm in a t-shirt. It's hot as hell in here. And I don't feel good. Okay? Now, sorry this is going to be one of my long ones, but I got to get the message through. Be sure you have 3 months of fruit and vegetables canned with your preps. Because the bad guys are winning. Uncle Al's sick as hell. I can't fight too long. Make sure you check out these books. We, Brave New World, Player Piano, 1984, and Stand on Zanzibar. Now, the bad thing is you have to go to eBay or sometimes Amazon because a lot of bookstores and a lot of small sellers and big sellers are finding out that a lot of these books have been destroyed by some force. I won't say who are burning books. And I won't say a clue because it'll be a donkey. Okay, I'll put that over here. Oh, especially Detroit Prepper, Stand on Zanzibar by John Bruner. You won't find that in the Detroit Library or any place in Detroit because they're burning certain books. And also, that area, Detroit, has been targeted. I told this to Brad about ultrasonic weapons. Right now, they're using ultra low sonic weapons. I thought I stomped it out back in '96. That's another story. You don't care. But it was the night of the Rays. No, it's not Ray Charles or any musical group. Night of the Rays were a bunch of crazy peoples. DARPA, Russians, everybody you could name was shooting rays at each other. And it caused some weird effects to the atmosphere on the earth too. That's why I think we have a lot of gay people. But it doesn't bother me. None of the rays hit me, I don't think. I don't remember. Anyway, just in time prepping. Tomorrow's Saturday, 8 p.m. Mountain Time. That's Will Russell, just in time prepping. That's where we meet Detroit Prepper. Please check it out. It's 8 Central Saturday evening, 8 p.m. Mountain Time. Okay? Oh boy, Uncle Al's getting old and getting tired. And let's see. Palmetto Prepared. That's Anthony. Tyler, let's talk about prepping. Cheryl Hirsch, DOI Fund. I'm getting to your video, Cheryl. Uncle Al's tired. I've been up since 4:30 in the morning. I did about a ton and a half of cow manure, moving it. And then I had to take care of small children, 12 to 15 to 20. I'm not too happy this week. Plus, I got to still pay off my new Ferrari computer. I'm tired. Okay? Prepping, little lady prepper, you better bulk up because you think it's hot now. Wait until the rains hit, the real ones. Prepping in progress and magnification of imagination. That's Reed's channel. We're in a heat cycle, Reed. I got to take off this hat. You don't know it, but I'm cooking inside the house, and I have AC and the fans on. West Wind Survival. Remember, 12 gallons of water, 3 days, 4 people. And check your water source. That goes for my friend Detroit Prepper. Oh, where did I write it? Okay, you need 2,500 in red state if you live in like Kayfabe in a blue state. You need 4,800 in there. And then I have to make a video explaining about the 10,000 in a passbook. Because I think Anna Lee Brown was asking about that. And I never get a chance to finish it because I'm still working on the one for City Prepper about, he lives in the mountains of Santa Cruz, I think, or San Diego. I think San Diego about maybe 40 miles away from or 50. I can't remember. Away from Wayne, West Wind Survival. Now, I got to be this long. Sorry about this because a lot of you kids missed my first videos. It'll be helpful if you watch the last one because I ain't kidding about that, kids. All of you should have some form of rice, not brown rice or a whole rice. Okay, that was January. February was dried pasta. March was beans, peas, and lentils. April was dried milk, salt, and sugar. May was Spam, hash, or corned beef or any other meat product in a can. June was one already cooked, ready to serve soups and stews or sauce in a can, all right, or a jar. That's for June. July is fruits and vegetables, dried or canned. Now, a lot of you kids don't understand what dry is. I mean dry. Okay? Let's see. You want to have minimum 250 pounds of canned food. That's the easiest, easy to rotate. You won't go nuts. You don't get confused. Okay? You want 750 pounds of dried food. This is for one person a year. And 365 gallons of water. Plus your favorite whatever gun you like, pistol, shotgun, rifle, and 5,000 rounds of ammo. Now, Wayne, I agree with Wayne. That's, you know, your homestead or your location where you have it, or your bunker. My normal combat load, what I carry, if it's a rifle, 120 rounds, 4 mags. That's it. Pistol, 2 regular size magazines, all right, and 1 extended magazine. I'll use anything I could get my hands on. I prefer from 9mm, 38, anything up. I do not believe anything down. 32, forget it. I used it before. 380 and 9mm short, or Kurtz, the Russians, I use that too, or Makarov. It stinks. I have to be really close. I don't want to be that close. If I yell at you to put your hands in the air, don't move. And if you don't listen, I'm sorry, I'm going to shoot you in the head. I don't do body shots. I'll blow your head off. All right? I'm not kidding about this. Uncle Alan's old, tired, not screwing around. So Steve knows me. I'm not going to give you a chance. You're going to be dead. There's going to be a lot of stupid dead people around me. I'll give you order. You don't obey. You and whoever's around you are going to be in the ground. I'm not kidding around. Okay? You want to start off with 7 days worth of supplies, and you double that, that becomes 14 days. 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, 3 months, sorry, and finally 6 months. Now, a lot of you guys, I recommend 3 months because you don't understand what Uncle Alan's talking about. And all of you should have 3 days supply. Okay, boys and girls. Gee, Uncle Alan, I'm really scared. Aren't you scared, boys and girls? They should be. Uncle Alan's tired. Okay? I am tired. Hot. Wear this in 80-degree room temperature. Not fun, kids. Okay, Uncle Alan. I'll catch you later. Bye, Uni. Bye, folks. Hope that explains for you, Kayfabe. And please check out her channel, Cheryl Hirsch's channel. I've been doing a video for her. And also check out Detriot Preppin. A lot of black preppers, a lot of people of darker skin persuasion, Hispanics, Asians, are not getting through to us. So please check out their channels. Catch you later, kids.